Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to design clothes in Roblox. If you want custom clothes for your avatar, in this video I'll show you how you can easily do it for free. So first you have to open your browser and then you have to search for the template, which is the Roblox avatar cloth template. You can use any keywords related to it, and after that you will get these images and also this link by the Roblox Creator Hub. You can simply go to its website. Once you be onto this website, you have to scroll down and then you will see this file that you can download. You can also get the image from the web, but it is better if you go with these file. And once you're done with that, then you have to open another tab and then you have to search for a online video editor or the image editor, which is called Photo P. Once you search for it, you will get onto its website, and then you can click on this option open from computer, and then you can import the image that we have just downloaded. After that, it will be like this. So now you can see the design, like the front, the back. Here you have to upload the design that you want to use. So we have to cut this part. For that, you can select this rectangle or the square tool and select this part. Once you have selected, then you have to press the delete key from your keyboard and this part will get deleted. Now you have to repeat this process for all these parts so that we can upload our own design. Once you're done with that, then you have to go and do the same thing with these other designs as well. If we cut the part, then we will have this blank space. Then we can upload any design, any texture, or whatever we like here as our image. Once you have removed all that, then you have to simply get the background or the color text that you want to use. Open another tab and then you have to search for Pixabay. From there, you can get the free texture for your shirt. Simply get there and search for texture, or if you have any specific keyword you can also search for it as well. Once you get to there, then simply select any design whatever you like, open that design, and after that you have to download that image. Once the design is there, on the right side you will see the option for the download. Simply click on this download option, or you can choose which quality you would like to get. Simply select your desired quality and then download it. Once you're done with the download, then you have to simply go back there and you have to click on this option file and click on this option open and place. After that, the image will be there like this. Then you can just simply increase its size and set like this, and after that in the layer you have to make it behind that image. Once it is done, this is how the shirt will look. Then you can just simply go there and save this image as PNG. Once you have saved it, then you can close all these tabs and open Roblox in your browser. Or you can also go to the Roblox Studio. It's up to you. If you want to use it on the browser, simply search for Roblox, you will get there. On the top, you will see this option for create. Simply click onto it, and after that, it will open the Creator Hub. Then you can click on Start Creating. After that, on the left side, you will see this option Creations. Click onto it. Then you have to click on Avatar Items. And then from the bottom, you have to click on the Classics. Once you have clicked onto it, you have to click on Classic Shirt and then click on upload asset, and after that you have to upload the image that we have just edited. Then you can give it any name of your choice, and after that you also have it to give it a description. You can give it anything whatever you prefer. Once you're done with the image upload, the text and everything, then you have to upload it. This will take around 10 Robux. If you don't have it, you must have to get the money. Once you have it, then you can simply upload it. Once it gets uploaded, then you have to do a quick refresh, or you maybe can wait for a while, then simply go back to creations, avatar items, again go to the classics, and then you have to select the shirt, and after that you have to simply wait for a while. Sometimes it appear like within the same second, sometimes it takes a while. Once you find it, That's how our t-shirt design will look like, that we have just designed. Now you can use it, or maybe for whatever purpose you created it, you can do that. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.